In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up your SinuPulse Elite nasal irrigation system. But first, let's take a look at what's in the box. Right out of the box, you get the SinuPulse Elite system. It comes in two parts, the water tank for saline solution and the base unit. There are a couple of screws and anchors in the box in case you want to attach the system to a wall. Just make sure you find some good wall studs if you do this, as it does weigh 3.5 pounds. We recommend leaving it on the counter. You have a 30-page user guide that offers some detailed information on how to use the system, and it also has some quick tips on sinus health from Dr. Rob Ifker, one of the nation's leading sinus experts. Also included are 30 individual packets of the Sinu Air saline mix. Each packet makes up 16 to 24 ounces of formulated saline solution. Next, we have our sinus and throat tips, which come in a sealed bag, so I've taken them out for the purpose of this video. The SinuPulse Elite has the added benefit of throat irrigation and comes with two throat tips. The light blue throat tip delivers a pulsating spray for light moisturizing and is for use with low volume irrigation, 3 to 4 ounces. The dark blue throat tip delivers a pulsating cleansing rinse for maximum benefit and is to be used with high volume irrigation, 16 to 24 ounces. Both throat tips have an integrated tongue scraper for added fresh breath control. You also get two sinus tips. The light blue sinus tip delivers a pulsating spray for light moisturizing and is to be used with low volume irrigation, 3 to 4 ounces. The dark blue sinus tip delivers a pulsating rinse and is designed for everyday use and high volume irrigation, up to 24 ounces. The oscillating action of the system cleans out what other nasal wash products leave behind. It breaks down biofilm, removes bacteria, and restores natural ciliary function for proven sinus relief and long-term protection. Preparing to irrigate is actually quite easy. First, you need some water. There are 3 recommended water sources. You can use distilled water, which is best and recommended, or previously boiled water. Let it boil for 2 minutes, then let it cool down. Or you can use water that has been filtered with a 1 micron water filter. You need 16 ounces of water, 8 ounces for each nostril. Place the saline solution in the water and mix thoroughly. Sinu Air is a uniquely formulated saline solution that contains sodium chloride, as well as potassium and calcium salt compounds, which are especially beneficial for nasal cilia. Then you're going to add the solution to the water tank. This formulated powder will dissolve a bit cloudy, and that is perfectly normal. Next, you're going to attach the dark blue cleaning tip to the wand. On the wand, there is an orange tip release button. Push it in to easily attach and detach the tips from the wand. Ensure there is no gap between the tip and the wand. You can check it by giving it a slight twist and a small tug. There are 2 ways to control the water flow and pressure of the system. The first is on the control dial on the front of the unit. The second is the blue button on the front of the wand, which is especially useful for fingertip control. This blue button allows you to slow down or completely stop the water flow just by pressing it in varying degrees. You can pause the water flow entirely by simply holding the button down all the way. Next, we're going to turn on the system. The LED indicator will come on. Adjust the water flow to about 1 inch vertically, or about 4 or 5 on the dial. You can gradually increase the pressure if comfortable to do so. As you can see, you get a nice pulsating rinse stream from the system. At this point, temporarily stop the water flow with the button on the wand, lean over the sink and place the tip securely against one nostril and breathe through your mouth. Irrigate with half the saline solution, pause, switch nostrils, and repeat. The SinuPulse Elite will do all the work. Irrigate until the water tank is completely empty. You can use more or less solution to meet your individual needs. When you are done, run half a tank of clean water through the unit to remove any residual saline. Then rinse out the water tank and allow it to air dry. Rinsing the unit every 2 to 4 weeks with diluted vinegar. 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar will help disinfect, decalcify, and minimize mineral buildup. It is important to remember not to leave any solution in the water tank. The water tank is not intended to store solution between uses. And that's it. It only takes a few minutes to set up and use. Hopefully this video will help you on your way to irrigating successfully and getting the maximum benefit out of your SinuPulse Elite.